Hi, my name is George Deich, and I am the Vice President of Product Management for Impinj's Endpoint IC product line. I'm here at the Impinj Innovation and Design Test Center, where we test all of our integrated circuits before we launch them to the market. This summer has been a very busy summer for me. I attended somewhere between 10 and 20 graduation ceremonies. It was very easy for me to look around the house and say, I see your child's in cross country, race timing bib. There's a microchip inside there. There's a package that was delivered possibly that morning because of last minute decorations needed. There's RFID on that. So what's behind all of that? The M800 platform is the chip that's inside those tags that's delivering real-time, on-time performance where it matters. Global enterprises today are deploying tens of billions of RFID tags globally, and it matters to their enterprise. It is a foundation to their delivery system. It's a foundation for the customer experience. You're ordering online, do you have what you need? Can you find it in the store? And what we do here, we make sure that every iteration of our IC has been fully tested before our customers actually see it. On one side, we bond over 1 million inlays to make sure that the chip is securely attached to the antenna. We stress the heck out of it in terms of bending it, shear test. You run it through its paces to try and intentionally find what could cause this to fail and make sure that the likelihood is extremely low. So why do we do what we do? The bottom line is performance matters, quality matters, and the Impinj M800 product line is built to perform.